But what we want to do now, we want to make an award. So Queen Pepper, step over here for a moment, please. Don't get hurt. Hey.
Yes. I'm just moved by the young brother.
Yes.
Yes. Because this is what it's about. Y'all, this is what it's about. Leaving that legacy, and I just thank God for today and for Queen being here because just everything that they've installed to me for the Gullah Geechee Nation. And my kids are here, and they will remember be over there, so I'm glad that they're here to hear all of this.
It keeps putting them when you step
Yeah.
forward, you might stay in there.
Okay, this the lane, yes, okay. Well, presentation. We have a new library that we're gonna put here in the facility up front for the community, and we're dedicating it to you, Queen.
What?
Whoa,
Brother Phil Porter.
It will have. It's going to be in the room up front, so it's going to be a library dedicated to Queen. So this is just temporary because we're going to put this with your name and everything in the library, name after you. And it's going to be here at Scott Strand for the community, tourists.
Whoa.
You can continue to put as many books that you can, and anybody else from the Gullah Geechee Nation. We want to make sure the books are here because we had a lot of young people and seniors in the community that come here for lunch or entertainment, and we want them to check out the books. When they check out the books for the young people, we're having events for them, and they can do a presentation of the book. Mr. Blues came up with the idea of having the young people come up and tell the presentation so we know that they read these books. And the ones that are shy, he said they can write it in and he'll read them, and we'll give them an award for doing that every time. They like money, y'all, so we give them gift cards to go to Tanger or Walmart or something.
You need to send them to Gullah Geechee store.
Send it back to the Gullah
There's
Geechee
Gullah
store.
Roots, you need to get a
Yes.
gift card.
Oh yeah, Gullah Root store down the street, y'all.
Yeah.
Yes.
And to the bookstore.
Yes. Yes.
Gullah Geechee got business,
We
exactly.
want to continue to pass it on, y'all. So thank you, Queen, for everything you do. Thank you for accepting our invitation. Thank y'all for coming.
See how the children don't know about this here. Y'all see this here right here? See, we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. Now how the children get the tree in the grass? You see that right there? Now who else want to do something like this shit? Look at that. Ain't that a bless up thing? And then look who gave them to me. Look who gave them to me. This one right here. This we want it only. Minister information. Ella Carly come and hide them in a bank bag. He had them in a bank bag, you know, children. And then he said, Queen, I got something for you. And he threw this here out the bag, children. Y'all see this now, that bless up. I know y'all say, oh, Queen, I want that same thing. Why y'all always want to keep my thing? Why y'all always want to keep my thing? The Queen got it, y'all always want. And then like, don't worry, it coming soon. Yes. It got had these y'all to help bless up. We Gullah Geechee Angel Network. Y'all see the tree? The tree got branches thing for the angel land for top one. Alright? So it ain't no lily thing. But I have a hey shiny thing for gonna get this up for cab home, you see? And so and it'll I know you need to get this one. No, I get the first one. Take it. You're welcome. I love you. Love you too. It's a blessing. Now y'all see, that's the legacy right here. We know who we be. Yes. We be Gullah Geechee anointed people.